The architecture, the design of this building absolutely fosters community. Where a traditional double-loaded, office corridor, classroom wing, everything is very modular and sectional. This building is really one continuous volume. And when you look at how the ramp navigates that space, it forces you to immerse yourself into the language and the design process that's going on in each and every studio. And it's not forced. You can hover on the ramp, but you're able to observe. You're able to reflect, but you're also able to take inspiration from everything else that's going around you. And you know what the other studio sections are working on. You know their project. You know what landscape and CRP and architecture are all working on. There are no boundaries. You're able to walk right in and just see what's pinned up on the wall. And something about that is so powerful that it's a result of the design that you can't get in many other buildings on campus.